Are you tired of spending endless hours on academic research, digging through databases, formatting manuscripts, compiling citations? What if you had an AI agent that could do all that and more in seconds? Your personal research assistant powered by AI, built specifically for the scientific community. What is SciSpace-Agent? SciSpace-Agent is a full-stack AI assistant that connects 150-plus academic tools, helping you save up to 90% of your research time. It's not just smart, it's built to think and work like a real researcher. From CRISPR analysis to drug modeling, SciSpace connects the right tools to your research goals in seconds. Why was SciSpace-Agent created? Since 2015, SciSpace has helped millions discover and learn from over 280 million papers, but researchers still spent hours on repetitive tasks. So the team asked, what if AI could do more than search? What if it could think like a scientist? And that's how SciSpace-Agent was born. From tools to a unified platform, transition into AI workflow. Earlier, SciSpace offered tools like AI literature review, PDF readers, citation generators. But now, all those tools are merged into one powerful AI agent. No more switching between platforms, just type your task, and the agent handles the rest. How does SciSpace-Agent work? Let's walk through the 7-step workflow. 1. Enter your task. Literature review, summarization, writing. Just describe what you need. 2. The agent takes over. It reads your prompt, uses integrated tools, and starts working. 3. Smart search and processing. It filters high-quality sources and gets what matters. 4. Organized output. Structured citation-backed results. 5. Live tracking. You see every action the AI is taking in real time. 6. Instant access. All outputs are saved for review. 7. Download and share. Just copy or export your results. Let us discuss its top use cases. Here's where SciSpace-Agent truly shines. Systematic literature review. It reviews millions of papers and gives you summarized results in minutes. Patent and prior art search. Describe your idea and it finds relevant global patents. Grant discovery and drafting. Get tailored grant suggestions and auto-generated proposal outlines. Manuscript writing. Provide your topic, and it writes a structured, formatted paper. Scientific posters. It even creates conference-ready posters based on your findings. Yes, really. We compared SciSpace-Agent to other tools like Manus and GenSpark, and here's what we found. For serious research, SciSpace is in a league of its own. Try link in the description and log in to SciSpace. You can write research papers with confidence. You can chat with PDF, your AI assistant for PDFs, used by students and researchers for asking questions, all answers with verified citations. You can review the literature. You can find topics on research papers. Free APA citation generator. You can extract data from research papers, get summary, conclusions and findings from multiple PDFs in a table. Paste the prompt in SciSpace-Agent. Create a data table summarizing the top 10 countries in AI research output over the last decade. AI understands and searches. It scans millions of AI-related papers, 2015 to 2025, from global databases, filtering by country and publication volume. Data is compiled. Agent creates a clean table showing country name, number of publications, optional, citation count. Example table. Rank U/country, publications come from just 1 China, low LAN, 145,000 plus 2, United States, 100, 130,000 plus and so on. Download or copy. You can copy the table or download it as Excel, CSV, or PDF for use in reports or presentations. That's it, a full decade of AI research output summarized in seconds. Type the prompt into SciSpace-Agent. Suggest funding calls for a PhD project focused on AI-driven drug discovery and create a summary of proposal aims. 2. AI begins grant discovery. The agent searches global grant databases like NIH, EU Horizon, Wellcome Trust, etc. for active funding opportunities related to AI in healthcare, computational drug discovery, PhD or early-stage research support. 3. Relevant grants identified. It filters and lists grants that match your project, including eligibility, deadlines, and fund size. 4. Proposal aims generated. The agent drafts a proposal summary with clear objectives like develop machine learning models to identify lead drug compounds, integrate AI screening with molecular simulations, validate predictions using lab-based data. 5. Download or copy. You can copy the suggested grants and proposal draft or download them for your application. Final result. In just minutes, SciSpace gives you targeted funding calls plus a polished proposal outline to kickstart your PhD project. I've added some prompts in the description. Try them out using the SciSpace-Agent and see the results for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool demos and research tips.